Traffic surveyors play a vital role in assessing and analyzing the flow of traffic in various areas. One such area that requires careful monitoring is Sadar Bazar in Delhi. Sadar Bazar is a bustling commercial hub that attracts a large number of shoppers and vehicles on a daily basis. Hence, conducting traffic surveys in Sadar Bazar becomes crucial to understand the patterns of traffic movement, identify congestion hotspots, and devise appropriate solutions to alleviate traffic-related issues. The primary responsibility of traffic surveyors in Sadar Bazar is to collect accurate data on the number of vehicles passing through different routes, the average speed at which they travel, and the duration of traffic congestion during peak hours. They use various tools and techniques like traffic counters, cameras, and manual observations to gather this information. By analyzing this data, traffic surveyors can identify the areas where traffic congestion is highest and determine the factors contributing to it, such as inadequate road infrastructure, inadequate parking facilities, or improper traffic management. Once the data is collected and analyzed, traffic surveyors in Sadar Bazar can then collaborate with urban planners and transportation engineers to design effective solutions to address the traffic issues. This may involve designing new road layouts, reconfiguring intersections, implementing better traffic signal synchronization, or creating dedicated lanes for public transportation. The aim is to optimize the flow of traffic, reduce congestion, and enhance the overall commuting experience for motorists and pedestrians alike. In addition to assessing the current traffic situation in Sadar Bazar, traffic surveyors also play a crucial role in predicting future traffic patterns. By studying population growth projections, urban development plans, and economic trends, they can forecast the potential increase in traffic volume in the coming years. This information can help city authorities and infrastructure planners make informed decisions about future road expansions, public transportation improvements, or other necessary measures to accommodate the anticipated growth. Furthermore, traffic surveyors in Sadar Bazar also need to consider the impact of their proposed solutions on other aspects of urban life. For instance, while widening roads or constructing flyovers may help alleviate congestion in one area, it may have adverse effects on nearby residential or commercial establishments. Therefore, it is essential for traffic surveyors to consider the broader implications of their designs and ensure that they strike a balance between improving traffic flow and minimizing disruption to the local community. In conclusion, traffic surveyors have a crucial role to play in assessing and designing solutions for traffic-related issues in Sadar Bazar and other busy areas. Traffic surveyors play a crucial role in managing and analyzing traffic patterns in various areas. Sadar Bazar, located in Delhi, is a bustling commercial hub that witnesses heavy traffic throughout the day. To effectively manage the traffic in this area, the services of traffic surveyors become essential. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data on traffic volume, speed, and congestion in Sadar Bazar. By using advanced tools and